Chaos in Hungarian parliament. Opposition sets off smoke bombs. Hungary passes anti-LGBTQ+ law. Hungary's new anti-LGBTQ+ law bans pride events. Massive protests erupt inside and outside Hungary's parliament. But what does the law say? And is Hungary's PM Orbán trying to distract voters? A new anti-LGBTQ+ law banning pride events and allowing authorities to use facial recognition software to identify those attending the festivities was passed in Hungary on March 18. Chaos erupted in Hungarian parliament after opposition leaders used rainbow-colored smoke bombs to protest against government. Several thousand demonstrators chanting anti-government slogans gathered to protest after the vote outside Hungary's parliament. This legislation marks a significant escalation in the crackdown of the LGBTQ+ community by Prime Minister Viktor Orbán's nationalist-populist administration. The new law, passed with a staggering 136 to 27 vote, was rushed through parliament by Orbán's ruling Fidesz party and their coalition partner, the Christian Democrats. But what does the law say? The bill amends Hungary's law on assembly to make it an offense to hold or attend events that violate Hungary's child protection legislation, which prohibits the depiction or promotion of homosexuality to minors under 18. Attending a prohibited event will carry fines up to 200,000 Hungarian forints, which the state must forward to child protection. According to reports, authorities may use facial recognition tools to identify individuals attending a prohibited event. This recent legislation is just another chapter in Orbán's crackdown on LGBTQ+ rights, following a series of repressive measures that have drawn condemnation from both human rights advocates and European leaders. In 2022, the European Union's Executive Commission filed a case with the EU's highest court against Hungary's 2021 child protection law. The European Commission argued that the law discriminates against people on the basis of their sexual orientation and gender identity. Remember, Hungary's Prime Minister Viktor Orbán, who has been in power since 2010, faces an unprecedented challenge from a rising opposition party as Hungary's economy struggles to emerge from an inflation and cost of living crisis and an election approaches in 2026. Tamás Dombász, a project coordinator at Hungarian LGBTQ+ rights group Hatter Society, reportedly said that Orbán's assault on minorities was a tactic to distract voters from more important issues facing the country, and that allowing the use of facial recognition software at prohibited demonstrations could be used against other protests the government chooses to deem unlawful.